Happy Wednesday, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great week. Can y'all believe it's already Wednesday? It's already midweek. I mean, I shouldn't be complaining because that just means we're that much closer to the weekend. I mean, and who doesn't like the weekend? So anyway, today we are in the sunroom and we are adding summer to my 3 wine refrigerators. And yes, I know we just recently decorated that for spring, but we need to add summer. With these hot temperatures today, it's gonna be 91 with 60% humidity. And when I walked outside, I was like, oh heck to the no, we are staying indoors today. It literally feels like a sauna out there. It's just like, ew. It's sticky, it's hot, it's muggy. No thanks. I'm staying inside with the air conditioner and my decor items. That sounds like much more fun than being out in the sticky, muggy heat. So with that said, let's get decorating. Stop talking, Liz. See, I talk to myself. Just stop talking and let's get decorating. Okay, so what we're working with are 2 lamps and a simple table runner that I picked up from Home Goods. And every single time I go there, I see many of these. So hopefully if you guys like it, you'll have some luck. I didn't iron it. I am too lazy to do stuff like that. I just am. It's terrible. But anyway, we are gonna build on top of this. But this is what I have started out with. All right, to this jar, we're gonna add some sand. We're not gonna add a ton because I'm running out of sand. That's probably good because I want to put some in the other container. Just put that seashell in there. Let's add some more. All right, this is how I've chosen to display my seashells. I originally was gonna throw them in there haphazardly and just wherever they landed, that's where it was gonna stay. But I decided to strategically place them, and I like the color and I like the display. And you know what, I see a little bald spot and I'm gonna add one of these. Just 1 second. And this is how I did the next one. Just keeping it simple. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add 2 glass jars. You can pick these up at Home Goods any day of the week, and they usually have multitudes of them. So if you like this, head over there and check it out. But this is what I've done. And that darn light is in the way, but I've just filled it with a little sand, and then I've strategically placed some seashells in there. Easy peasy, easy peasy. And we're just gonna put this right there. Done. Then we're adding another jar full of a little bit of sand and seashells. And we're gonna set this right there. Done. Then we're adding a simple seahorse. That's it. So as you can see, it's just a simple grouping of 3 items. That's it, that's it. Now what else can we add? I know, hold on. All right, next up, I've got this bird cage. And I broke it. Yeah, I don't know how I did that. I think the screw, I probably was too rough when I opened it, and the screw on the back popped out, and I probably sucked it up with my vacuum cleaner. Story of my life. And anyway, what I'm gonna do is, I've got this cute little like candle holder. I got this at Real Deals. It was $19.99. I am simply gonna put this in here, like so. Then, see, where's my plant? Oh yes. Got a plant here. I'm gonna set that on top. So it's kind of cute, galvanized steel with a galvanized little bucket. Then to add a summer fill, I'm simply taking a little starfish, like so, and then I'll be placing this over the top, but I'll have to do it off camera because I need 2 hands. Stay tuned, it's falling apart. So as you can see, got the bird cage, the little candle holder with the little galvanized bucket of greenery with a starfish on the top. Simple, simple, simple. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Now I know when I decorated this for spring, I thought it was cute. I thought what I did was cute, but there were some that said too much, too much. I know, but you guys know me, I'm no minimalist, so if you like something, just think about how you would decorate it in your house. And if you're more of a minimalist, you could think to yourself, okay, well, I would take maybe half of what she has on there off and move it and make it my own. But this is Liz's own way. This is my way of wanting to decorate it. And I think here I can get away with it. On another table, probably not so much, but you know, it's a long stretch right here with the 3 wine refrigerators, and I think it's kind of fun. It's just, that's my preference. But anyway, I've got this little galvanized bucket, or I don't know which cylinder, I don't know what you call this, but I got this at Hobby Lobby last year. As you know, they have this garland there every single day, practically. You can pick this up. And I pick these up in boatloads. Like I'll buy, when they're on sale, I'll buy like 3 or 4 garlands, and I'll do that every so often, and you can snip them and use them in other displays. It's really pretty, it looks really natural, and I like it. But I'm gonna add a little seashell to the top of it. Let's see. I'm just gonna set it in there somehow. Anyway, I'm gonna set this here. Pardon my back, how rude. And I'm just gonna set the seashell in there. Done. Easy peasy. All right, so let's go over what we have here so far. We've got a grouping of 3. We've got a standalone piece with a seashell. We've got this center stage with a starfish on the top, bringing the beachy vibe. Next up is this sign. It says decks, docks, and flip-flops. Is this not cute or what? Anyway, if you like this, you can pick this up at Home Goods for $9.99. You can hang it if you choose to do so. I'm not going to be doing that, but this would be super cute anywhere in your house, on the front porch, out on your deck. If you have a boat dock, if you are so lucky to have one, this would be a cute, you know, enclosed on your outside dock, you know, super cute, or boat slip, or wherever you want to call it. Love this. But I'm just gonna put this center stage right there. Y'all know the drill. You know what I'm gonna say. Done. Okay, next up I have these 4 plates, which are seashells, and I love this color. I love it, love it, love it. It's so soothing and soft and perfect for summer. And I am just gonna sit these right there, just like that. I'm just sitting them there. And then the last thing I'm gonna add is Mr. Fish. Look at, isn't he cute? Oh, I can't remember where I got him, but he was only $6. I mean, hello, can't beat the price. Anyway, I'm gonna put Mr. Fish, let's see. Right there. Yeah, I know. Done. All right, I'm gonna take the camera down and I'm gonna give you a close-up, and well, I'll see what else I can show you. I've done so much. Anyway, let me show you what I've got. Okay, so we've got our little lamp, and let me tell you, at night, this is gonna look so pretty lit up by this lamp right here. So, but anyway, I love these seashells. And I could have filled them up more, but I just wanted to kind of keep it simple. And then over here, like I said, I got that little cylinder galvanized steel doodad from Hobby Lobby. Plop some greenery in it with a pretty seashell. I mean, how simple, right? Over here we've got Decks, Docks, and Flip-Flop sign. And then of course the bird cage takes center stage with a starfish inside on the top, just for fun. And then over here we've got Mr. Fish. And then we've got a stack of seashell plates. And then this candle holder that I got from Burlington Coat Factory with a simple garden ball. And then of course, another lamp. And then we've got a cute little wreath right there. Anyway, that's the look I was going for summer. And I think it turned out cute. I'll show you another thing that I've done. I have ordered 2 more of these lights on Amazon. I absolutely love these. Anyway, I added one above this beautiful mirror. And it looks really cool at night. I love it. But it's perfect if you're into the farmhouse, coastal look. I just love it. And I don't mind the black cord showing at all. I kind of like it. It looks kind of industrial farmhouse, which I like. So anyway, let's move over here. You see I have this one. We added that one. And then we also added 2 in here. And I already shared that with you guys. So I am loving these lights. Now another thing I got on Friday was I got these really cute pillows from Walmart. It says My Happy Place, and they're good quality. And I originally had planned to put those down in my basement on the huge sectional down there, but I really like the contrast with the blue and green color, so I decided to leave them. I just think they look cute there. So those pillows, that's their new home. All right guys, so now I'm gonna take you outside because we're starting some outdoor projects starting Friday. So I wanna take you outside, and I also wanna apologize for my eye. Check this out. I know that's so gross. This happened the other day, and I went to my eye doctor yesterday, and they asked me, they're like, have you been lifting weights? I'm like, do I look like I've been lifting weights? No, what are you trying to say here? They're like, have you lifted anything heavy? Are you straining anything? I was like, no, absolutely not. So I don't know what, it's not pink eye or anything like that. I was diagnosed with uveitis like around Christmas time, so I thought it was that, but they're putting me on special eye drops. Hopefully we can figure out what is causing it, but dear Lord, I look a mess today with this awful eye. Anyway, so please excuse it if you noticed it in the video. But anyway, let's go outside. Anyway, they think it's probably some autoimmune disease that's attacking my eyes, but these doctors cannot figure out what autoimmune disease I have. So I'll just have to go on about my business until it finally surfaces and we finally figure out which one it is. So frustrating. I gotta go grab some sunglasses. My eyes are extremely sensitive, so where did I put some sunglasses? Okay, so I found some sunglasses, and let me show you what we did this weekend. Stay tuned. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Okay, guys. As you can see, there's a tree line that goes all the way down there. We took this tree line pretty much down. We did leave some trees because we wanted to take advantage of the mountain views in the distance. And it's so pretty. Sometimes on a cloudy day, you'll see the fog move in over the mountains and then down in the valley area. It's so pretty. And we just love it. We're really enjoying the mountain view. And also too, there's houses up there, so at night we get a little bit of a, you know, glimmer of lights on the hill, which is really nice. Okay, so as I've mentioned before, we have a 10-acre property. So beyond those trees is a whole bunch more land. And I'll insert some footage of this weekend when I was on the UTV, kind of driving around exploring back there. But it's huge, and it's just basically field. But anyway, we want to add some color back here. When we first moved in, there was a water issue, so we put in these ugly rocks to kind of control it. And you kind of let the ground settle, if you will, because when we had this deck put in, the ground was very mushy and everything. So anyway, long story short, we want to make it like an oasis back here. So you can see there's straw. It's a mess back here, to be honest. My husband has aerated, and then he seeded, and then he put straw down. So we're waiting for the grass to grow in. But you could see those piles over there are where we've dug with the tractor. We went and we've got some big trees we purchased, and they're coming Friday. We cannot wait. So we're gonna have trees, a tree there, a tree there. We've got a tree over there, and then we're gonna have a tree there, a tree there, and then we're gonna have one back there and one over here. So it'll be pretty. Cannot wait. All right, guys, well, this will wrap up my random video, and I apologize for being kind of all over the place, but that's kind of just what I had going on today. Not much. So anyway, come back and see me Friday. We'll be cruising our way through the house, adding splashes of summer here and there, and we might have some video footage of the trees going in the ground if they get here early enough. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love each and every single one of you, and I'll see you Friday. Bye, guys.